To start with, I will present one thing. Like since yesterday, one famous quotation you all have heard from expert opinion leaders as well as peer opinion leaders. That is, to err is human. Now, why it's not about the criticism, it's about why this quote is used so common, because that is where the journey of patient safety starts. The human, as Dr. Shweta rightly said, that it is impossible to address the human behavior to make the mistakes or human error to zero. So how we can address this issue? So best way to address this issue is to use the objective means, objective tools, objective principles to address the systemic variables of strongly encouraged patient safety practices to develop organization drive towards it. And in the reference, we are going to discuss this presentation, patient safety, the bigger picture. We have a speaker, Mr. Sumit Marwa. He is a CEO and Director, Dispolin India Private Limited. The topic description is infection control, the discipline concerned with preventing nosocomial or health-associated infection, a practical rather than academic sub-discipline of epidemiology. It is an essential, though often under-recognized and under-supported part of the infrastructure of healthcare. Infection control and hospital epidemiology are akin to public health practice practiced within the confines of a particular healthcare delivery system rather than directed at society as a whole. Aseptic technique is a key component of all invasive medical procedures. Similarly, infection control measures are most effective when standard precautions are applied because undiagnosed infection is common. The second topic is pursuit of excellence by our senior respected consultant, Dr. C. Venkat S. Ram. He is a consultant in hypertension, direct blood pressure clinic at Apollo Hospitals.